Wuhan, which we know from COVID-19, Shanghai, and different other countries. Now we will discuss borders of China. China is a very complicated country because it is bordered with a lot of countries, and there is a lot of controlled issue on the border of China. So China is next to Mongolia from one side. It also have Russian border. Okay, if we come here, China is with North Korea, and North Korea also have land connection with Russia, which we cannot see in the map. And if we come here, China is with Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Pakistan, in Afghanistan too. Okay, and then India, Nepal, Bhutan, and if we come here, Myanmar, and then Vietnam, and then Hong Kong. So there are few places where China have dispute. For example, in Hong Kong, if you have seen people protesting, China also recognize Taiwan is at its part, but Taiwan don't recognize China to be Taiwan don't recognize China or have a control of China over Taiwan. So if anyone consider Taiwan as China, then China appreciate that, and if someone from other countries don't accept Taiwan as part of China, so China gets pissed off. We also have Bhutan. Okay, I forgot about Bhutan. So it's a complicated. There are few islands here where they have dispute with United States of America. China is building a road which will connect Russia, Kazakhstan, China, and then Pakistan, and then go to sea. So these are called warm waters, and these are cold waters. Ships cannot operate in this water. Ships need to be here because only nuclear icebreaker ships can survive in Arctic Ocean. So that's not the thing. And this one is shortest way, which is called One Belt One Road project. It will go from Russia, Kazakhstan, China, and China already built road here. Now they are working on this part. So this was all about China. We will discuss few more things in future. So see you guys in the next video.